Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 7th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. So the first card that I see for you is Knight of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the Judgment card. Person B here has the World card, Eight of Pentacles, and the Eight of Cups. Now, bottom of the deck, I have Page of Swords, which means that there is some kind of a conversation that needs to happen between you and your person, but it will happen in a very immature manner. Now, for the first set of cards, I see you have Knight of Cups. This means that you want to rush in, you want to talk about your emotions. For some of you, if you have not expressed your emotions to this other person, you want to rush in and tell them that you have feelings for them. Now the second card I see is Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords means you want a new beginning, but before that new beginning, you want to have a very honest conversation with this person. If there is anything that you have hidden, if there's something that this other person doesn't know, you want to talk about it before you begin this new journey. Now the third card is the Judgment card. This means that you've taken up a judgment call. This is when your third eye opens, and it shows that your third eye opens when you're able to see things clearly. Okay, this means that you need to go ahead and take that call, which you eventually will, and you will declare your decision to everybody. Okay, so that's the decision that you will take, and you will tell everybody, this is what I want to go ahead and do in future. Now for person B, their first card is the World card. It means that there is some chapter that they need to close before they begin or move this relationship to the next level. The second card is the Eight of Pentacles, which means that they need to put in a lot of work if they want this relationship to work. And the third card here is Eight of Cups. For some of you, okay, it could happen that this person will not go ahead and put in the work, because they will walk away from the situation once they realize that this is too much work for them. Now that's again not for all of you, but it is for some of you. Now let's go ahead and also see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So the first card is Queen of Wands, King of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. Now Queen of Wands is mostly referred to as the third person. Okay, so for some of you, like I said, there could be a third person, a third energy that is kind of interfering in this relationship. The second card is King of Pentacles, which means that this person is very much focused on their finances, because Pentacles shows stability, money, which is very much required in life. And the third card here is the Four of Wands, which shows marriage and commitment. It means that this person is eventually thinking about marriage commitment as well. Now for some of you, it could also mean that if this person is already involved in another relationship, is committed somewhere else, they are thinking about separating their funds, okay, about a divorce, and that involves separating and parting funds, and that's what they are thinking, that how much impact it will be to them if they go through a divorce, because that's when funds and all that come into picture. Now with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message I see here for all of you is, don't let the past hold you back. Now this is a very positive message. It means that you need to move forward. You need to think about your future. Whatever happened in the past, just let it go. With this, we'll also quickly see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Damotarite. The crystal message is, are you able to imagine your life asking help from the divine? Are you seeking inner peace? It is time to acknowledge that you have the ability to hear, sense and know information and guidance from angel and spirit guides. Realign and develop your spiritual awareness. Objectively observe patterns in behaviors and shift. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Raziel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.